Here we are in the main room, you see? The main room. And the drum set's up. Well, it's kind of up. So you wrecked your car today, eh?
No, I didn't. Some bitch did.
Is this monitor system here that we have ingeniously designed so that we can record our tracks without the benefit and or hindrance of headphones.
Indeed.
So what we have here is this old bastard of an SVT tied in with these two cabinets here, which give you 300 watts of crunching, ball-busting, testosterone-killing power. Yep, this is it right here, see? There she is.
Now we're recording.
We just got a killer bass sound.
Yes, the face of an engineer who's been trying to deal with this band. Wait, let me change the zoom here so we can, like, right?
I can't really tell until the music's on, you know?
Okay, let's do a test then.
Okay, this is a test. Almost missed my cue. Here's my cue coming up, kids. Here it comes. Where do you think it is? Huh? How about a little Bo Diddley song? Is this a tape? This is a tape. All right.
Okay, we're gonna stay. Don't get
Okay.
None of me. Instead, you know that movie, All of Me? We can't hear none of me.
We almost at the bride's up. This ain't what's rightfully ours.